Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Brix's Loft. I'm sorry that I have been very busy. It is now spring in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We did a little bit upgrade in our loft, put new tin roof in, and it is now racing season. It is May 28. Our race used to be at May 14, but it got delayed because of the snow. It's been snowing. So here's our young birds. Our 2022 young birds, and we have our first old bird race today. And here's our basket. Here's our old birds. We're gonna basket them soon. Yep. Here's the view of the yard. It used to be all flooded here. I couldn't even go over here. So here we go. I'll give you guys a view inside. There's nothing inside here except one. Anyway, here's our old birds. So this is our old birds. We're going to basket them soon. There we go. We will be going to the club. I've just been really busy, guys, and haven't made a video for about a month now. But on the good side, it is racing season. And we have this other loft also to show. So this is our new loft. So our breeders are over here. This is our breeders, guys. Babies, some late hatch that I'm gonna give all to my uncle. There's even babies in here and in top. Yeah. So this is all our prisoners. All inside this loft is our prisoners. Alright guys, I will see you guys at the club. Alright, we are here. Where's your champion, Sito?
Wala ka dyan. Walang champion.
Old bird. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. It is now the race day. Here's my Hotot rabbit and my Flemish giant together. It is now the race day. It is May 29, and it is a little bit rainy. It's a little bit showers this morning, and it's cloudy now, so they just released the bird. It is now 8:30. We have one bird that didn't race because he had an injury. His neck is swollen there. Here's our young birds. This will be our 2022 young bird team. Yeah, so our race clock has already been set up. It is 8:30 in the morning. They released it at 8:30 also, so let's see how the breeders are doing. Here's our breeders. Anyway, I will see you guys when the first bird come. Alright, we've got our second bird, but the first bird didn't scan. Taking so long. Come on, go. Scan. He's scared. Why are you scared? He is scared. I don't know why. Come on, we're gonna lose the race here. Yeah. All right, I see 4. See, they're not even tired yet. Look, I've got geese in the yard. Look at that, they want to just fly, fly, fly. Oh, this is ridiculous. All right, we got 4 of them. All right, we got 2 more. They have 2 checkered and a blue bar. You see, these guys are even better. They don't need to go down. Oh, that's not my blue bar, Tito. That's not mine.
That's not yours?
No. See that one there? It came with another bird.
Alin dyan yung nasa likod?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
All right, we've got 1 more. Where did you go? He came from the north.
Yeah, doon.
They're everywhere today. East, south, north, west. Come on. See, you guys are not tired yet. Why?
Yan.
Don't drink the water from the eaves trough.
Hindi nga pagod eh. Oh.
No.
Look at the mouth. It's not even open.
Yeah, it's not panting at all.
No.
I think that is 1994 or 1993. 1994 yan eh. Oh no, that's 1990. That's 1990. Psst, 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 psst. Let's go. Yeah, 1990. And 1 more bird. It's so fast. At least this one came from the east. I don't know, you're late though.
Oh, it's not tired yet.
I know, all of them are just going around and around in circles. What's going on? It took them 2 hours to come back from 100 kilometers. I don't know what happened. It's the first race, that's why. Look at that, going and going and going. You jinxed it.
Yeah.
11:56 this one. She is 11:56.
It's not tired. Oh my goodness.
All right, I'm tired. Okay, I think we got another one right there.
Oh yeah, there you go.
And I think we got our 11th bird.
Oh, there's
Oh
another one.
no, there's 12 birds. All right, I'll keep you guys updated when we are at the club. Well guys, here's our result sheets. This the first race, 60 miles Hadashville. We had 192 birds. And this is our first race. We made it to 39th place, Beetle Carmen 3287. Yeah, having a hard time. This second sheet, Beetle Carmen 1987. So our next race would be in West Hawk Lake. Alright, not bad. They're starting to it's their first time racing again, so I'm happy with 39th place. Hopefully next race would do well also. We'll get them tuned up. Alright, I'll see you guys next week. Please like and subscribe.